Okay, let's start this by selecting exit plane from part design option. Now I've drawn two straight lines. I shall create the curvature using B-spline option. I'm aligning the points to smoothen the curve and to give it a more vase-like appearance. The file has been saved and here we have this sketch on our screen. I'm making this a bit taller and slender. I've removed the straight line on top. It's time to give this a rotation. It was looking awkward, so I changed the curvature a bit. Now with all the modifications done, it looks more or less perfect. And yeah, our rotative vase is ready.